Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how you can fix Instagram reply option not showing. For example, if I click open a random chat and swipe right, then I will get a reply function in my Instagram messenger. As you can see, if I press and hold a specific chat, then I can also get the reply option. If you don't get this option, then I will tell you how you can fix or get reply option in your Instagram messenger. First of all, you have to press and hold, and if you are not getting the reply option, then take the screenshot of this, and after that you have to close the Instagram app and you have to click on profile button. After that you have to click on three lines you have to click on settings. In settings you have to click on help button. As you can see, if you click on help button, then you will find report a problem. In report a problem, you have to report your problem to Instagram team so that they can solve your problem as soon as possible. For this you have to explain your problem to Instagram team in better words. I have already written that words in my notepad. First of all, I copy that words and paste into that report section in Instagram. As you can see in the video, if I copy this and paste in report section, which is as hi Instagram team, I am having a problem in Instagram reply option. I didn't get reply option in my Insta messenger. Kindly solve this problem for me as soon as possible. After this, you can also attach the screenshot you have already taken earlier by clicking on gallery option, and in gallery option you can select images and select the screenshot you have already taken. After that you can click on submit button and your problem be submitted, and Instagram team will solve this problem for you within 48 hours. After 48 hours you can also again check your Instagram messenger whether the problem has been solved or not, which means you have reply option in your Instagram messenger or not. Hope you have liked the information. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest video.